Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. This will be our fourth time cutting with this new mower, and so far so good. It's still in the mulch mode, and it's doing a really good job. Doesn't look like it's leaving anything behind now, and the lawn is a little wet, just watered, but I'm out of time, so I'm trying to get this done before it rains some more. We did fill up the tree holes, and it doesn't look too good, but they are full of dirt, so hopefully the grass will fill in and animals won't fall in it, or anyone else is walking through here. When this becomes a pasture, we want to be a safe place for the animals. Going in injuries, and we have an event Saturday, and we got people walking across it, and we don't want them falling. So that mission is accomplished as far as filling the holes. We'll wait for the grass to grow through, and it should be a nice pasture. Yeah, now it's raining. Well, it's done. It's mowed for the fourth time, and it mulched really well. There's no streaks of grass left like there was the last few times, and I'm impressed because the lawn is also wet right now, as you can see by the hood. It is raining, and so it's a good mower. I like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.